We are leaving the chaos of Hanoi behind and heading north. It will take us about 300 kilometers to reach Ha Giang, a quiet region in the mountains.
Good morning, Hanoi. Busy city. 12 million people, 20 million motorbikes. You have to pay attention all the time. Everything good, Tess?
It's really scary.
Yes.
There's so many scooters. I've never seen this before.
Unbelievable. First 50k in the books and 31 degrees, so we are really sweaty. We are looking for some bakery for bread, have a little lunch, and then we move on again.
Very cheesy, very tasty.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe on our channel if you want to see more of our cycling adventures in Vietnam.
That is it for today. 80 kilometers from Hanoi to Viet Tri, and now it's time to relax.
Yes, we made it. We have found a nice hotel for only 10 euros for one night for two person. Amazing. And we can get in the air conditioning, take a shower because I'm soaked.
After a well-deserved rest, we start with day 2, where we will cycle 90 kilometers from Viet Tri to Tak Pa, heading deeper into Vietnam's countryside.
Not 5, just 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bà cứ lấy đi, lấy 6 quả đi, nhặt 6 quả đi.
What did we just bought, Tessa?
6 eggs, 2 cucumbers, and we already bought 3 pieces of bread. So I think we paid €1
In
for
total.
everything. Yeah,
This is gonna be a good lunch.
yeah.
This is the good stuff. An egg sandwich.
now 1 p.m. and it's 39 degrees. That's a long time ago that we had such hot weather, but the cycling was really good.
I'm not 100% sure if it is the main road, but I don't think so. This is the gravel ride party. Hit some cobbles. Please bike, don't brake.
Tea chai fields.
Yeah,
It's really cool.
everywhere, huh? Really pretty. Remembers us to Turkey.
Yeah.
The chai cure. 15k to go or 10? What do you think?
I hope 10.
I hope also 10.
Hot, very hot day.
It was really hot.
Yeah. Your pizza?
Yes.
No, can you think? Oh, it's up to you anyway. Yeah.
89 hot and sweaty kilometers later, we finally made it to our homestay by Takpa Lake. Now it is time to relax and dive into the pool.
We have to go over there.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
We will definitely go swimming.
Yeah. You can go check your room and change your room and can swimming.
We were really lucky that there are many homestays here. We had an amazing dinner and a good sleep. So now we are able to hit the road again.
Thirsty day and sweaty again. Temperature says 35 degrees, but it's really humid, so a lot of sweat. So keep drinking and keep cycling because we have to make these kilometers. In 2 days we want to reach Ha Giang for the Ha Giang Loop. And meanwhile it is 41 degrees Celsius, so we reached another record. And we just found some water. A nice guy on the motorbike gave us some water to cool down, so that's really good. We need it. Oh. Crazy, crazy. Cheers.
What's that?
is way too hot to cycle at this moment. So we have a little break, enjoy some pineapple, fresh, amazing, and a wonderful view over there.
We have arrived at the hotel in the small town after 80 kilometers. It was a long day and we are ready to rest.
Let's go, Tess! We had some good sleep, not too long, but at least in the air conditioning. And now we are heading to
Ha Giang.
yes, Ha Giang it is. 80 kilometers to go.
Yes.
.30 in the morning, unbelievable. It's already 30 degrees, but we did already 25 kilometers, so another 50-ish, and then we are in Ha Giang. So let's go. You need some bananas just on the street. You can just grab it, but unfortunately not ready yet, so we have to buy it at the locals. That's also not a problem, because everything is super cheap over here. I think 1 kilogram bananas, maybe 15,000 Vietnamese dong. So that's a good price. So 50 euro cent. Do we have a good lunch spot, or do we have a good lunch spot?
We have an amazing lunch spot. We are now sitting next to a hotel, and the owner said, "Oh, of course you can sit here." And he even put a fan for us, and we could boil the eggs inside the kitchen. So that's amazing. Yeah.
It is warm, but we arrived in Ha Giang, so we buy some water and then go to the hostel, and then we go into relaxation mode. Cold shower, we need it before we head for the loop. Ladies and gentlemen, we arrived.
Yes.
Where do we arrive, Tessa?
At the Velila hostel in Ha Giang.
Yes.
And here we will take a rest, and we will prepare for the loop.
That's a good plan.
Yeah. The bikes are like new again.
And ready for the Ha Giang Loop.
Yeah, and that you will see in the next video.
Yes, and if you like this video, please give some thumbs up, a little comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more cycling adventures of
Meant to be cycling.
Yes. Hey, see you next time.
Bye bye.